Good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is your boy Peter unboxing the QNED mini LED 91A, which is 2025 model, the latest from LG. This will be mini LED with the Dolby Atmos, Dolby Vision also, Alpha 8 Generation 2 processor with 120 Hz and 2.1 HDMI. Supports AMD FreeSync. So right now we are unboxing. Let's start. So this will be the screen size. Electricity. Chori. That's how the screen looks like. Let's check in the back of the TV how it will look. So the back of the TV will look like this. And what we normally do, we are going to install it. But what you normally do, you have to put the thermocouple back the way they are doing right now. Then that's how. Just put. We'll remove later. So. Then this is the perfect way of doing it. The way they are doing it. Make sure the TV lies down on the box very well. Then now we are going on the next step. You know one thing we forgot? To remove the legs inside. Just use this use this one and open here. Use the screwdriver, yeah.
This one inside, no?
Yeah, here. Just open here, no? Yeah. So we forgot to remove the legs. So now that's what we normally do. Colors. This will be the legs. Everything out. So the legs will look like that. So this is the legs. And another one. So we have two legs. Then another reveal for the remote. We shall see. Comes with this is the cord. So for this model, it doesn't have the smaller cable. So it has this kind of cable. The same AI Magic remote, the new one, with the AI button, batteries inside, and the manual also. So now screws also. Now, how many screws? Colors just here, no? So 4 pieces. So now it's time to do our legs, because we are going to install this on the legs. So with these ones, they don't have left or right. There is nothing written on, but there is the arrow sign. You see the arrow sign here? So the arrow means the front. So it means once you bring it here, the arrow will be facing here. But remember, so if you put the legs like this, it will be above, see? So you have to get something and add here again. Let's show you how to do it. No, just use this one. We shall do first do one side, then okay, put. So we have to first lift one side so that the legs will fit. Okay, Kalas. Okay. So to be like this. Okay. So you have to make sure. Now it's fine. You go to the other side. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Once again, to remind you, this is QNED91, which is dynamic QNED. Okay, now the other side. Bring the box.
No, okay. This one,
Okay, Kalas. Again. The arrow. Yeah, the arrow is here. Okay. Yeah, same. It's outside. Let me do this. Okay, Guys, you have to be more careful. If you put the box here like this, bending, you make sure you don't push the TV so hard, so that you don't make a mistake of breaking the TV. And for that, I'll show you. This one comes with one HD, like 4 HDMIs, then one USB here, 2 HDMIs will be here, then one extra USB down, and antenna plus satellite. Then comes with the RAN, like the cable for the internet. This is what both cable and Wi-Fi. And let's go. That's how we lift it. That's it. After this, we'll remove.
Remove?
Yeah, remove. And for this, guys, you have to be careful while removing this step. Make sure you don't enter into the screen. You can do it from the corner here to be more safe. Okay. 1 second. Kiawa. You can do it from the corner. Alas, now the sides all.
This one.
Mm-hmm. Alas. We are going to do the setup right now. That is showing in English. You might not see it very well. And then so we are doing the setup right now. English, then you have to press next. So we are in the Middle East. Once you're in the Middle East, then we'll just go to the next, then look for the country. So after selecting the country, accessibility will set up later, then we'll use the remote MacQ in the store. So let's put in the Wi-Fi. So after putting in your Wi-Fi, it will bring the terms and conditions. You have to scroll down, press next, then tick all, more, agree. So since I'm in the store, I'll put none of this because there is none I'm putting. So you have to select according to where you're going to put it, whether on the wall or on stand. This will affect the sound. So you choose the AI Pro for the picture, and the Aura is ready. Activate. Okay. Yo, bro.
Box is soon inside.
Yeah. Thank you.
Remote inside.
Yeah. Thank you. So I'm going to set it up using my email. I'll just use the scan option because. So once it brings this screen, you have to get your camera, scan the QR code. It will take you to the LG website. Then after that, you'll enter this code. But I'm not going to show you that on camera. It's easy because it's contain my email, which I don't want to show. After you put in your credentials, then this is what it will show. And there we are, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the LG TV QNED Mini LED. So these are the apps. That's some of the apps that are in my account. So once you open it, it will have installed each and every app. Yeah. And normally it's supposed to bring the LG channels, but it has not brought. So you have to upgrade your operating system, and let's test the AI remote whether it's working. See, it's already registered in my email. So once you press the AI, it will bring the options here. So anyways, let's check and see if my operating system is upgraded. Or when I'm in the store, normally we use Vivid, so it's more brighter. Okay, so I don't have update, so I'm updating it. And then I'm in the store. I'm in the store, so I'll just put to the store mode. Sorry. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the LG QNED Mini LED 91. Please kindly subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and tell your friends to subscribe. Appreciate. Thank you. Have a nice day.